Hey fam, it's me, Lisa. Wanted to do my first unboxing. I got my first package from the online business affiliate marketplace, and I'm excited. I should have my second package tomorrow, which is some merch that I'll be wearing, but this is what came today. The Christmas cards just in time. Aren't they beautiful? See, it's gonna show up backwards, I guess, because the way I'm doing the video, but oh well. And fold them in half. Even my cat's excited. Can you hear her meowing? And here's the card. Who are the 2 lucky recipients I'm going to send this to? Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is great though, an affiliate marketplace, and we get paid 25% commissions for life on every single referral that buys stuff at the online affiliate marketplace. And we have tons of merch, shirts, hats, sweatpants, sweatshirts, duffel bags, coffee mugs, what else? Leggings, even a t-shirt dress. And with the online business affiliate logos, and then our new girls, or women, shall I say, female bosses wearing the Sexy Nerds brand. So that's coming up too. Okay, bye. Love y'all.